Hello, Craft Fairies. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm going to share with you my Create 2025 Class 1 projects. And I will insert a picture of what the project that we did create. And then I did create the same thing. I just kind of switched it up a little bit using different papers, adding embellishments, whatever, you know me. So the first card, I'm going to put the insert in. And then here is mine. So it's pretty much the same. I just used some different papers. This is Anna's, I think it's like lavender paper. And then in the background, you can't really see it, but it is her. I believe this is, I want to say Annalise, but I might be wrong. But this is all Anna's papers. And these are her florals that came with the Create Gratitude package. And they are not dimensional. I did do some dimensional by adding foam tape, but these ones are flat. And I just added some glitter to the florals. So yeah, so for this project, we used dies from the gratitude journal. So as you can see, we use the frames here. We use the gratitude die there. And then we also use the ribbon die set, which is what we did here. And then we cut out the center. So that's what we did. Didn't put anything inside yet, but yeah. So that's the first card. So for the second card, we did this one here. So this one is more dimensional, as you can see. Look at all that foam tape. It is extra dimensional. So it's really pretty. Again, I used Anna's papers. I showed you what was supposed to be created. She encouraged us to use our own things, so it's not like I broke the law. So yeah, last time I went to Create, I did try to use a lot of my own stuff, her stuff, but just, different papers. I did kind of want to save some of the papers from this Create, so yeah. Paper hoarder. So yeah, we have this beautiful dimensional card. We use the bow set again, and we use the gratitude journal die set again. I added some little stones here, and these florals came with the Create package. This is also her shiny purple paper. I'm not sure if she still sells this particular color, but it also comes with a matte color. And I got this back in the day when she sold those matte foil and matte cardstocks together, and it would come with like 72 sheets. So yeah, it would be like 12 by 12, and I want to say 5 by 7 or 6 by 8. So yeah, so this is really dimensional, so really pretty and layered. And we didn't well, I don't believe we really did anything to the insides of the cards. So then for the final one, we did a post office box. And she said she got her inspiration from this die set from London when she goes over there, and she likes a little post box. So this is mine. I did use her papers, but not the papers from the kit. I used the botanical. You can't really see it because it's covered up, but when I open this, you'll be able to see it. So I used her botanical cardstock. We had some rub-ons in the class, so you were able to personalize it however you want it. So when you cut this out, it automatically scores. So this can open and this can open. So me, of course, I have to have my bling. So I added some jewels. I'm gonna put some glitter on my florals. This little sentiment did not come in the kit. This is one of her. This is from my stash. The bird is hers too, but it came from the stash. It did not come with the kit. So now in this little part here where you open the little box, we created a section and we created this little insert here. So we cut out a nice little card. I still use the botanical cardstock. We use this little piece from the die set. Oh, let me show you the die set. So we use that little piece there. And we added some rub-ons. This is a rub-on, believe it or not. Look like it's made into the paper. And then this, you got to pick whatever sentiments and things you wanted to use. So yeah, so we have that. And you just put that in here. And you just got to be a little careful. And then you also have this beautiful door here. And then this is still a shaped card, so we didn't get to decorate the inside. However, you can put whatever you want in there, you know. So really nice. And we cut that as a shaped card. So those are the 3 projects from class 1, and stay tuned for class 2. Thank you for joining me. Bye.